Want to create hobo-like jitter shake? So let's start the tutorial. Get your clips ready. First, add the S_shake effect to your first composition layer and copy these settings. If you look closely at the shake, you'll notice there's too much movement on the y-axis, making it feel unnatural. To fix that, simply set all y shake values to 0. And just like that, your shake effect is ready. Now copy the effect and paste it onto the rest of your clips to keep everything consistent. From here, you can create any animation style you want. In my case, I'm using a frequency plus amplitude animation because it gives a smooth and dynamic result. Once your animation is done, feel free to add your favorite color grading or effects to enhance the final look. And that's it, your effect is now complete.